Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Agoda booking to wallet. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the wallet app on your iPhone. This app typically comes pre-installed on iOS device. Now you just have to look for the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it and add a new pass. After that, choose the option to add an other pass if Agoda does not have a specific pass type. So now you just have to manually enter the relevant information for your Agoda booking. This might include reservation details, confirmation numbers, and any other relevant information. Once you have entered the details, tap on add or add to wallet. Review the information you entered, and if everything is accurate, confirm the addition to your Apple Wallet. Open the wallet app anytime you want to access your Agoda booking details. So this is how you can easily add Agoda booking to wallet. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.